Mastering politeness in English. The power of YW. You're welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but powerful phrase in the English language. YW, which stands for, you're welcome. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering politeness and improving your English communication skills. So, let's get started and explore how and when to use YW in your daily conversations. YW is an abbreviation of you're welcome. It's a polite response to someone who has thanked you for something. When someone says, thank you, or thanks, replying with, you're welcome, is a way of acknowledging their gratitude. It's like saying, I'm happy to have helped, or no problem at all. Using YW is not just about following social etiquettes. It's about fostering positive interactions. It shows that you value the gratitude expressed by someone and that you're polite and considerate in your communication. This small phrase can significantly impact how people perceive you, making it an essential part of effective communication. While YW is straightforward, there are other ways to convey the same sentiment, adding variety to your conversations. Here are a few. No problem. This suggests that helping was not an inconvenience for you. My pleasure, used when you're genuinely happy or honored to help. Anytime implies that you're always willing to help. Happy to help directly states your joy in assisting. Each variation carries a slightly different nuance, allowing you to express yourself more precisely based on the context and your relationship with the person you're speaking to. YW is suitable in both formal and informal settings. However, the context and your relationship with the other person can influence which variation of you're welcome you might choose to use. In formal contexts or with people you're not very close to, sticking with you're welcome or my pleasure is advisable. In more casual situations or with friends, phrases like no problem or anytime are perfectly acceptable. And there you have it, a complete guide to using YW, you're welcome, in English conversations. Remember, using you're welcome and its variations not only shows your manners but also enhances your relationships through respectful and positive communication. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English interactions. Thank you for watching, and you're welcome to explore more of our videos to continue improving your English skills. See you next time.